my pit into a well.
Oh, yeah.
So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me. My test is now a testimony. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Adum. It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Adum. Hey, Adumo, Yabi, Adumo, Adum, Adum, Tina, Mitiasi, Adum, Tina, Miwoho. You're the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Adum. Hey, Adumo, Nyami, Adumo, Adum. Hey, Adum, Tina, Mitiasi. Hey, Adum, Tina, Miwoho. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Adum. Who has changed my story? Who has given me a song? Turn my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. Could not have made it without you. Hey. Could not have sailed through without you. Your loving kindness, grace, and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my grace is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Adum. Could not have made it without you. Yeah. Could not have sailed through without you. By your loving kindness and grace and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my faith is all centered on your grace. Adum, Adum. Hey, Adum, 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 Tina, Mitiasi, Adum, Mitiasi. The essence of my faith is centered on your grace. You have been my doctor on that sick bed. By your stripes, I am healed, I am free. So the essence of my praise is because of your grace.
I was here a year past, and then so many quine and the war ababishia. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, baby. I will be Bede Onyame and Chia and in the Humo Bro and Eba and Chain Sabre, Ojimedi. So we're actually doing the community and the law. Your friend will recall Sifrimpon. I'm going to be with you between now and 6 p.m. about a little after 4 UK. Na me stresse obene me betna na fe yedijmedi no abro. We are coming your way under the auspices of BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo Seven Sisters North London. Na juma wodi very straightforward and simple. What the emra and ejuma. When you emra no efiti ekosi etre. na the worker NSS seba na immigration se eba no family law seba na wade divorce se eba no se upese obi edi wachi na ye court ana se aban emremu uhia se ye be ye nhihye ede amawa na oni BWF Solicitors na AD enkomo omo ye juma Monday to Friday a free anopa 9:30 kupem enyumre 6 o'clock obebuki appointment ay 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. And then community and the law. And then Kumai Babi a very interesting. COVID ebai yate senkrofo eka ena emrana sesao ena abayin si yenye say ebi akwaje business bounce back loans ebi akwaje grants and any idea. Now wasitre mo nso so ete saying na no ena yate say Prime Minister Boris Johnson UK say he is open to amnesty for some UK illegal migrants. How likely? And mene openi omensa ebekano and no eba bedi ho enkomo niahwe senia and also esi etie. Is the Prime Minister really open to granting amnesty? And answer at the same. Later on, the BB lines, so number the Juman said they will name 0208 123 1016. 0208 123 1016. Now, what me afre ade question no concern no aba. And then mitri aye openia meneno eba betwetwe enkomo no partner of BWF Solicitors lawyer Richard Senior igna yedin. Now Richard boyen ewo enkomo ahodo ne nyina mu. Richard yeda sipi akwaba so.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Right. You'll be hearing a lot of him na say Breno Swan Mobete and some of the brain question beside no obey boy amia no and what you know so yebenya yunia ba mayana tay say or the other questions are ya carry over from the previous days in the week I did juma or various radio stations no ya they no eba ba Richard Boadu no na sana na mibisa was say unimene date. We are at the very end of March. April, May, June, 30th of June. Na EU settlement scheme in Shisheno, na akone me pacho, me pese me bisa ose, why your application? So when ye ya, tinkre, nefa afutu frimu, me basisia.
What did he say? EU nationals na ne won ebusuafo a wonye EU nationals na or say we apply ma EUSS answer June busome akone wiye afi 2021 mu. So wanya ebe ha won krata sem a wo de UK. So want to anamo we now we apply EU settlement scheme and train last minute answer. Ehun hia yie pa say obepo to me a wo de tena UK no ho ban. Now we hear legal advice be answer. Pebi. When Koma EU ana EA amountful nyina will crack registration certificate, ana permanent registration certificate, ana ebusuafo ayama one residence card, ana permanent residence card ewo EA registration 2016 no. Se wonya ye we nyina na se wo stefaka. Apply pre-settled ana settled status answer 30th June 2021. EU settlement scheme pre-settled status eba na wiye ewo 30th June 2021 na mum ehun me hia yie se obe apply no ntem na ediwe gine yie na hye so se we koma omo wo UK answer 31st December 2020 a wo kura won krata esefata nyina edi won adanse se won bi immigration mrei so na wunni adansidie bia ekyere mretenti a watena UK se ana EU nationals no so a eno so betimi ahawdache se wo apply with British citizenship. BWF Solicitors ewo nimdie fa UK immigration law na omo aboa ebusuafo bebree wo applications a efa home offices EU settlement schemes no ho wonti bebree asia for BWF Solicitors in Tempara ewo 020 849 37340 and 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extend to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. And yade wonkra abrewono na woka na wesiso ade amayen se womodi anse wo EU settlement scheme no and then each year obeye se wo ho ye asimbise bi wo doubt bi ananse difficulty bi a 0208 493 7340 0208 493-7340. But afi ena wabaso abomodi anse obeshare page no dodo amaba no memamo akwaba kwabna kwachi Peter Zach Zara Bonsu Ebenezer Hope Eric Kwabna Yeboa Yo Joyce wa Dokasadum Ahmed also online no so sa na yewo Vida Mensa yewo dodo a wo hwe yen ewo various parts of the world, Germany, Holland, Ghana, and the rest of the world. So the medical akano now ye live ewo Facebook BWF Solicitors sounds so and live ewo YouTube BWF Solicitors. So we'll share page now. Just pick up the link and share it. Put it on your WhatsApp group and the rest of the nafi duduana enyabi. Abusia ene me brainy p kra me content tabona nama kwa bisa. Japheth Kusi, thank you very much for coming in. Your very long question is very much recognized. Yede ho enkoman bebro na nakweju amachi wo so ye chao. So and your atajima say woda so e Ghana wo hwe from Ghana. Yada sipi nyame enhrawo se wo baby na enye UK ha na wo hwe na opasi hunu baby awa. Just prompt us and we will let the world know that you are also part of the wonderful family. So near kind of classroom ho aye kama pa na jimai yento nka vida mensa na fe na sapon munyina ye chiamo emamo akwaba. Maminfa nkomo no enhyase na menko menia aye lawyer Richard ho na me misa se Prime Minister, the Obobosui COVID opportunities ni biana, so to speak. And then Walker.
Well, I mean, very good evening.
Right.
Now, in fact, so now so very, very good evening. So you care. Now, maybe I will be at morning and afternoon. So
right.
We trust and hope that will be a year. COVID by yen said idea I mean the first time yeah experience idea affected the whole parts of the world. You know, sometimes pandemic but it's my one part of the world, not others maybe safe. Unfortunately this one no affected baby it's so very in health wise, you know, it's dire. Any marketing kitty being so a woman, you ever can say, and no, a cramai, you know, you can say, and recently, Nami delivered for deportation case be na meaning now or very well said a 2 time or set or corner reporting. You can as well sign. And I mean, an email from Home Office to say that actually all reporting events have been suspended.
Right.
The good thing is that, you know, and now COVID yes, Mobia, Mom, and the sign. And not say general,
Obia one case.
Wait, just small example. I just said, and you may be, Ebwa. Now, and I'm saying, you walk out children. Just so that you're lockdown, although it may not seem as such, we are still in lockdown because of the pandemic. Abide any responsibility, they say, or be making sure say, or the policies and laws, be improve the situation. Now, your Prime Minister, Mr. Johnson, sometimes you may mistaken him for a Labour leader because of his
liberal stance. I will take him. Yeah.
I like him very much. I like people who are very proactive and very, very, action on books. He was successful. Adibia, any GD that yes, over Prime Minister, Abibia, Okasaya, and the argument in said, I didn't know, so we all migrants, now we're illegal. And Kayempe can for so nanka, Yens Sawa was sitting naka, regularizing a bay illegal, so that you can be captured, you contribute to the economy, paying taxes and all that. Reservation Kakrawo, the reservation said, Uramu said, your immigration rules now, about your certain home by Nkrumah nationality name, one the Bem, one the Betinum. Home Office, your primary legislation, they have powers to, changes of the rule. They don't have to really go to Parliament and act a new law altogether. What they do is that, and I'm so more power already in it. Now when I go to Parliament, and say, Mojituma and one, debate you it's an argument in says, would you say, so ye be say, some year, Kokomono, which me afraid, Mamia, pretty, said that we can wear down for. Madame Teresa, by 2012, was a sign immigration rules, and my yet and then Friday hostile environment, Kokomono, Mosisi, Mumbrana, no tighten the name. Same as Papa Boris Betting, I said, we are not public or Beckham to galvanize support, that is fine. But the Titanian is so, Nkrumah say Friday Immigration Act 1971. So, we share section 16(2), no schedule 2 of that same act now. And Mark Home Office for power to me say. So, Nkrumah only has a time, everything editing. Now, sir, power we need a hard if we say, what Nkrumah illegal immigrants? Now, you can say illegal immigrants, or more assertion, say, who is illegal immigrant? Yeah, share immigration law, you share an act, the 1971 Act, we share section 24(1)A and section 24(1)B. I said, sir, entry near 1A. So, what Nkrumah now I'm fucking Papa so and the Nkrumah say, what will so you know there are immigration breaches because one fact I the visa and their so they come Papa so in the bedroom, maybe a visit visa, and now the visa being in the bedroom. Name mono apahum, but one call back. And I said the conditions of the living at the Marono and yet stand out that's what it's Nkrumah. And also why you overstay. It's usually section 24(B), no so overstay illegal, you breach immigration rules as criminal offense under the 1971 Act. So illegal immigrants are defined yes will be a rural illegal and as a rural legal name of
what's the Hamana Broso
and as a one time acquire the Maroon so illegal. Now who Nkrumah never know what's regularize it state regularization and said yes when young crata say you would about
now by who near my crata sitting
migration watch no years some said maybe now said they could anticipate that there are about 1.3 million illegal immigrants in the UK at the moment. This is just
it forms one city.
Tip of an iceberg because but how do they even know? Because they didn't even say it also over a million people.
So Obi a tax £1 1 month the krana. That's about £1 million ever government coffers.
So Jumabia, Sa, in Kofredi, Ukrumabia, it's not in the fold for the government to see. Now, and I have Prime Minister, a some kind of patriotic for, and I'm saying we community and the law. Now, I'm saying I did also see free money and say, yeah, bomb connect as a mom and near my or community. We patrol, Memo said, any probably sending messages said, yes, amnesty be air. Me patrol be a sana and also as we speak today. Now, Papa no can say, one of the can papa more and Kayama or Mokrum Hana or Munia Satina, Yamo Asetina. And if I'm so, we an amnesty in Panania Asset and
it's in Kanaka also say, Wakao, Unyaya and Ka Yabayanasa. And I'm happy, so our point to say, in your mind, Mamobia Timun Yan and the Sep, Commander of Pani D, and Yano. Any amnesty na battle. But see, I can't amnesty. Na at saying, ye frobia near the crata mano, and now say at saying, amnesty no crime more lawyer for more time amnesty. I said,
amnesty need tier 1 and say forgiveness, pardon. I say, ubi a bonnet, na ye punishment.
Okay.
Mrs. America said, the kind actually will say, ubi illegal immigrants, under the law, you heard the section 24. 1A and B of the 1971 Act. Now, as it will be over illegal, and our room legal, not what more money time and broson. Yes, why a bonnet, what breaching immigration rules. To why a bonnet, and you can say a rewarded bonnet now, why you know near Moss. They use the word amnesty to say that you pardon, you don't want any church. It's your child, yes, the Moss, and that's not legal, although say. We are born in maybe a children. That's amnesty. So amnesty is whereby government and say, you know, some money, Musupine, Mobiria, Monobaman. Nakumo, Yasha, Ubakumhan, Unya Bonibia. I mean, it's from Petro. Sir, the case of criminal offense under the 1971 Act. In Yabahan. Most of us illegal. Yeah, the what? Yeah, legal cry. The visit visa by any.
I'm not sure whether I was one in Namuna for the I am.
And here, but will be very sure. So it's legally wrong. Now, Prime Minister said, "Enka, you share 1 year bonnet, one criminal offense. One said, I'm be a hard in beer. You won't inform. Now, we know that they make baby say, okay, what's it? Prime Minister or a leader of a political party that is consecutive.
Yeah.
In consecutive for or more views now, in Labour government social views. Having said that, so you go back history, Kakra. Amnesty in the UK, in the most recent 3 ones, why in Labour IMO2 and a consecutive. So 1993, 1994, consecutive government can say, Omomusiki asylum na you refuse to that was an amnesty, but it wasn't publicized. It was sometimes, consecutive for we had no seeker. When you say, we are asylum seeker, you don't meet the requirement, the definition of asylum under the human rights. You wait for Kokrum Ghana. Maybe still now life from our so although say you don't meet the threshold as a refugee, you're more humanitarian protection. You're more amnesty. You're far more. Now you failed asylum seekers. That is 93-94. Now 2000 and 2001. Now Labour and Ohuma amnesty. And also say na yokokom. And also say na failed asylum seekers. Asylum. Asylum. The asylum is say be of free program. Any sort of also serial name. Yamenesa baby sana. So what I also so go back. I got my catch the criminal ban. So more because so won't go back. That's asylum.
No, say I know, son. There must be evidence. I said the whole can say empty me my own corner. What's a wall?
So if we say UK, your country profile of Krobia, you can say because of your own better to money. I assessment, interview, first interview, second substantive interview. Now it's me professor. I'm passing here on Bamba. Most of the time, there are about 50% will succeed, 50% will fail. Failing, you yes, so meet the threshold. And recently, Labour government cast in 2004, 2005. For the last one, and also society was still failed asylum seekers, no more amnesty. Now, Parliament be cancelled. He said, hang on, sir, idea ye, omuba, umbisiki asylum, na omu emiti the threshold, no. Not yes, and you know, a cow, house, I don't hear more no more, no more. Parliament Select Committee on Home Affairs in the Council, Omon entertaining Sadi we say, it is since 2005 no more Council. Now a vicious cycle to continue doing this because you encourage and grow for say.
But see that's how this abundant say nothing heading buying for mine.
So they were saying that listen, Omobaha no abe making unfounded claims. Say BBC, knowing that, and I'm so under the category of asylum and intino, or Felicra na yeka crabia, ever say amnesty, genuine sabi. It's me partial amnesty dear. I'm say the last 2005 happened for failed asylum seekers, or consider BBC. Mr. Johnson, a certain organ, the one it's you. Name when I'm say or lady parliamentary government in intino. BBI the parliament, no man. The party members, almost more than half and supported that idea. Why? Because in 2012 consecutive year also, and no more a creative hostile environment. Said, Yema environment in the UK, and you're so hostile to the extent that it will discourage people from trying to enter the UK. What are examples of these? Ebini said, Oko Handa also work rata, Oko GP also work rata. Now, who could be a banker? I also work at and say, but we know bank now, who cut and well, you also a close. These are serious because don't you go high there? None, whether what's me here, they say obvious. These are the hostile environments. So, who create way, and then no one said the amnesty to be but sure. Bibisa, anyhow. Now, having said all of this, there is an amnesty actually going on since.
Oh, okay.
So you have immigration rules. More paragraph means immigration rules must paragraph. Your paragraph be 276 ADE. Your 276B. 276B of the immigration rules in the city. So back home, I must be a student visa and the say 2.5 and then 3 years will be of course now say 2 years become 5 years and maybe a war will be now then. Okay, Satan or legal meaning now they do 10 years. Which me application na yamao asset or indefinite leave. Now that is 10 years legal residence. Okay. Then you can apply on the 276B for indefinite leave. But ubi a on the only asset either now asset the way now the actual illegal. You say Okamboma under 276 ADE no dear. And found say we illegal or illegal. So it's become now we are 20 years. That is an adult. That is we are about 25 years. Which my application.
And now I'm for 20 years long stay. 20 years long stay.
Now into said right. Now say you say first of all we are criminal because we either say well overstay and I say we run illegally. Under normal circumstances, you see immigration rules, one of the requirements almost across border, and they say also legal status in order to apply from within the UK. Now, some application at UK, FP, private life, human rights, 20-year rule, and when they say that is an amnesty because you're pardon. So the word amnesty is not linked to many thousands. Even if you're many one
crown, okay.
That person.
Okay.
Because you're overlooking the money away in your pardon and you say your application. Even that there are requirements for you to meet. Because you say also show name amendments under that paragraph. And you say also shows why a valid application, that is you pay your fees and all that. Also shows only criminal record here.
Okay.
Also shows wow, I had 20 years. That is more over 25. Now I had 20 years. So that is fine. But the generalized amnesty na you hope percent kebana ye yes ye mo be certain regardless you see and not the me even some borrowers as work e kura be ma enye sa enye raw sa or can say there should be a time limit that you have been here either or started 5 years, and I'm going to say 5 years until you be at 10 years without any criminal record. So there is a requirement for you to meet. It's not free.
And you like it, Mr. Owen, me trying to say Boris Johnson can be bisa na bia opese oti de ewo ho no mu ema manfo adwen ba so say covid ba ye say wunya 20 years no kra na yese kwa wo kono sabi waku ana say to say ntie ne nka kwa kra wo ho na bre no so na wo meti sa conditions me nsen ya wo boso ya Amnesty no udem sana opese o chere ya na
well onu de no person say ntina me I said, Boris, I said, we publicity stands be so.
Glad you know.
Okay. Okay, say home. But on argument, 20 years is too long.
Okay.
Be at 10. Remember, before not Amnesty 276 AD, can 10 years. Now, yes, so what 10 years. That's a quite an application indefinitely leave straight. And almost say you're 14. See, a very discouraging group to come here. Yeah, they call 14. Mammy Teresa say 14 or cry. Still a bit my passes here. You're 20. It's me see Mr. Boris would say a patch. And Madame Patel and Nancy pretty. Now, Monian said, yes, I'm from back. This is 20 years. No more, I'm just saying. We're in your parliament assembly. More wait to review now one more. New immigration review. Now, like I said, they are 10 years because of the COVID, because of Brexit. And you may also just say, "You home, mobile." Now, nipa, and so. As my there is an amnesty going on in relation to COVID vaccination. Now, once Abibian himself, so we are really say, I also a certain treatment. Yes, you have to pay. Sure. In relation to COVID, so we will crata, only crata, ultimately treatment. Treatment in being said, we vaccination. Now, what's my bomb? Because there is an amnesty going on, which is not, unfortunately.
Let's just say amnesty. You will more types be brave.
Amnesty can be on anything, because suddenly pardon. First, in the 18th century, not English history, it just said, "Yama amnesty said be a treason, if you are quite bonny." Now you see, those days need be here, now through coronation, you see, or him as a queen, a basson, not a niche some. It was a me pardon, or more bonny be a bay almost in you. So that's an amnesty. So amnesty is not in relation to immigration only. It can relate to other things, to do with criminals and so many things. But yet they are relevant to immigration. And like I said, although said, amnesty be embassy said you throw and I am let we over 50 near so and now we are vulnerable and I say so the near invite to said bra na beji will vaccine and patch up. I know the way immigration said, go and do that. Now, amnesty now, can't want something and we're running more than that. And just what we much 20 years, it's more that's an amnesty. Say, we are Friday will be our year below 0 to 18. So, what is 7 years? Put me application near more certain. That's an amnesty. Say, I'm no not so what the 18 year do now, the 7 years. Put me application near more certain. So we are over 18, but below 25. Now, what's more than half of your age? Put me application near more certain. That is private life. The only assessment they're gonna do is why your application is valid. We need criminal record. What's half for the specified time. Assessment we need you balance of family life with the interest of UK to remove you. And yes, sir, assessment in no proportionality test assessment. Once when it is a residence requirement in the patronity understand. Boris, hopeful. But in name say it's unlikely. So the question is how likely? I would say
very unlikely.
Highly unlikely because
Let me push you. I'm a question corner kakra. More number and motiasi. Presidents about war. The all can share political crystal ball no more. You might see certain things coming. A possible say now one my various scenarios a bit me will be a application be a man six and what me regularize it. A possible say be the Boris Kane conservative for ebeja to be or more bedi home come or labor for be pushy now must support it. You bet you 20 years now. So
if I should put, I think so. You see, the reason why I say so is the fact that said Brexit, when it starts to bite, now was COVID and how because
okay.
I strongly believe now immigration buffer because EU migration will almost go halfway. Now, then I strongly believe if Boris, were to go on for a bit more, meaning enough support to bring the years down at least to 10 years. It's likely because it was there before, and I almost a son. But say no one said so. Monday, new immigration rules, and leading the future and what it's gonna be like. They're all coming in our episode to say, or monitor asylum area or no say, or preventing. Now, so Baham who travel to suffer and so Bahasia, yeah, showing. No fuck on also Bahasa be showing. Almost, attaching even hopefully. More will have already. Maybe there is a chance that you bit much sad national. Just immigration changes every sometimes 6 months. Anytime case law be bad, need to be changes. So BB happen now also they can make changes with secondary legislation. Normally as a son. So I hope so BB sir a bit me highly like that.
I was here say afi and now abekanya ho a share yen live ewo YouTube so BWF Solicitors and I say o kan ho ewo Facebook and also BWF Solicitors e be also so live ewo Abawa radio so ewo UK and not the just the audio version and until say o join and which me e the text no akoma Abawa radio na afi on so asende e de abre mabo amane that say and question me bisa yen resource person lawyer Richard Boadu-Nkrumah, a partner of BWF Solicitors, and said Boris Johnson, who is the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, has hinted that he is for amnesty for certain immigrants who are illegal in the UK. How likely? Patrium said amnesty bia fufuru bia mai. Those that are existing are the ones that the 20-year rule, names a 20 years long stay. Na why or application na be about 2.5 years now for the any other forms of application emra it me regularize with the end. And no actually say uba ha one for one person buy. And now say we remote what the investors visa ne buy and now say amount sits ne bi na what's na ho amana broso na abroso no won koy UK mrache se eba na sa na wafom emra criminal enunti no yebetimi atwewaso se mra no eso mu a na nso so yama ho kwan se kwan bi so obetimi aye application ni nyina ye amnesty kroyi a ena na me bisa se na etisen so betimi at 20 years na betimi aba so you likely se prime minister etimi nya supported ya ebetimi ama so ati abusia me ma Lord Richard and Musu kitwe bi na me kai wo se we are at the end of March, April, May, June. Bra, I was say utimi wo EUSS application. Okay, inkomono. Why? Unyanye ananse to say. Who are difficulty bia bra ebehu BWF Solicitors.
So we EU ni ebusuani. Wa worry EU ni da. Waseta na okuta na EU ni nti na yede ma wa. Na since January 2019, when your application be anko home officer, very likely say what the no your dada ni bi. Eno ne yese bra na be sesa no. Ti bomma obi ante na omo nsesa. Ono abetimi aye.
Do you know that all EU nationals and their non-EU family members must make an application for EUSS before the end of June 2021? Failure to apply may affect your lawful residence in the UK. If you have not already acted and applied under the EU settlement scheme to secure your status in the UK, don't leave it to the last minute to apply. It is important that you ensure your status in the UK is secured and seek legal advice if necessary. This includes EU and EEA nationals who hold registration certificates or permanent registration certificates, or family members who have been issued residence cards or permanent residence cards under the EEA Regulations 2016. If you have not yet done so, we urge everybody who is eligible to apply for pre-settled or settled status before June 30th, 2021. The official deadline for pre-settled status under the EU settlement scheme is June 30th, 2021. However, to ensure the most secure position, it is advisable to make the application at the earliest possibility. Please make sure that you are present in the UK prior to the 31st of December 2020 and that you have all required documents to prove that. Please note that non-compliance with immigration laws, including periods spent in the UK by EEA and EU nationals who cannot evidence their exercise of treaty rights, may also affect future applications for British citizenship. BWF Solicitors has a wealth of experience in all aspects of UK immigration law and has assisted many families with their applications under the Home Office's EU settlement schemes. If in doubt, please contact BWF Solicitors urgently on 020-849-37340 or 077-127-61884.
Yeah, I was here with that say or train me, him say a futu no, I call amount ye pa, ube here now fee say obe ente ya, ube might be chrono attic say I was set or yen EU settlement scheme application no. The community and the law and guswa woni yen AD May live on Facebook, live on YouTube. Young guests, special guest, and a partner of BWF Solicitors, a lawyer Richard Boadu-Nkrumah. Boadu-Nkrumah.
Richard alphabets B first, so Richard Boadu-Nkrumah. Although always made Richard Nkrumah Boadu. So R&B now is RBN. So Richard Boadu-Nkrumah. Interestingly, my principal I would say work a case be na involve Mrofo. Because of the new land frame. And I am active for the Ukraine in relation to the estates of the deceased person. Now, let me command the parish priest now or SSO baby. So was signed as solicitor Richard Boadu-Nkrumah. So the solicitor Richard Nkrumah Boadu. And let's say 1 week. Now say no response 7 days. So 2 weeks now no response. So we did a follow-up letter. And I got short letter. So he was actually looking forward to writing to solicitor Richard Boadu-Nkrumah. However, he has received a letter corresponding from another person claiming to be a solicitor named Richard Nkrumah. He needs clarification on that in order to respond. So you can see how
name arrangement, yeah.
Because when he checked with SRA, there was nobody in that firm, solicitor Richard Nkrumah Boadu. So our apologies. We have to do the letter again. So you can see that when we are talking about legal, BBA is very, very, very critical.
There was a RBN, Richard Boadu-Nkrumah.
Yeah. And say, Prime Minister said, Amnesty, Ebra, Nasa Parliament, mind you to my Amnesty be in
so they are yeah, BB so acquire Amnesty supposed what honor. Ubetimi enya ho amfaso na so betimi aya application scenarios no wabo so there, but how do we regularize our stay under the policies who are apparently not etimi my amnesty?
Well, I mean, as said medical akan Nkrumah na we sitting a kwan dey bebre edos. Now private life na ankasa a good self development because me jaba could be. Now, under the same paragraph 276 there is one paragraph essay. So what we over 25. Not only 20 years now, still now to me application. Say your mom asset. How? Because they can also the timelines now also to my plan. Will be way over 25. Now only 20 years. I better know how apply. I'm running city. So what to me show if you can demonstrate that what's not common at Chekakra, you're going to say be a for 12 years. You are short of 8 years. But the law is with me still now apply. And on that, so I share. And you probably call everywhere say, oh, what's mean D 20 years no cry
let me apply.
And the crowd will say, hey, no correct, which my apply, and they refuse you. Because among the threshold be a share, paragraph and say. Also, to me, demonstrate what's several ties with Corona. For Uganda. Now, and I come out, free the English side. You say English side, and then maybe because of French and English, or more consequent, then more than no. So, with me, because the time you use the example when you say my year application, my year by the ISS for recent. Normally, some application and because they will always come back to say that you don't meet the threshold because some pronouns was advertising you haven't because ultimately the fact ultimately bad you can now name be no it's on at maybe 12 years and the same thing now it's my come back home. But this particular case in the Ekache Home Office in the was several ties because we're 14 years with Corona, we're short of 6 years. We need 20. Now in ultimately call back Cameroon. Tiede was a medical asylum, so the entire minimum will be an asylum protection. But we know it doesn't meet the asylum threshold to be granted refugee status.
Okay.
But yet they don't infuse private life. Say, well, what much? And I think was so about coffee into humanitarian protection. So when we see a non-qua, you find the private life and cut humanitarian protection on the application and the FLRFP. Now, under private life, near the man, because you set up all the ingredients, both under humanitarian protection, that's okay, maybe bit mature, but it doesn't really meet the threshold of asylum. But our hands so check a crack. But several times, and then they said, we need to be a corporate and ultimately demonstrate the family will be because of the person. The application is successful. That is the only time, or you can really worry in your Ghana into the Ghana in the primary years application. So you can see that sometimes what will come on these are 20 years na year can so to the application if you can show that any maybe will problem prevent you solve coffee. Sometimes will be saying what was that may yare. You know, yare any umbre, it was more diabetes, no cancer. And not the mature. Sadly, no, and on a article free, inhumane treatment. That threshold is so high, I can't see who can meet that. Since you know they might from we are the come. You case goes to say, ultimately, sir, and even in a kickabum and a private life now, then you can make a question. So, in relation to that is another way already, and then young for young family life. So, what worry? Necessarily, but in relation to private life in India, so when the 20 years no crime so to be sure and maybe well, we know lawyer nekasa, which man share was bring forward some things which man rely on to say that you can't go back to your home country into Yama or certain it can sort of maybe they are, more trust on have this liberal views, So Prime Minister can say, that's who knows, so that you can be maybe a mammy, like I said, yeah. I think so we have to look back to this 20-year rule. Maybe. So let's wait and see.
Let's wait and see. Now, say a basso, na say possible. Now, say in the circumstance, lawyer Richard H. say we hear sell by application be CA is an American here. Or bet me afraid BWF Solicitors 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. Me acknowledge dodo I war yang pages ahodo no so YouTube and Facebook na fe mo amonso mo join yang ewo abawa radio so no so yemamu nyina akwaba Beniza Hope kwabna ye boa ye wo Ahmed sanso so na ye wo Jefta Kusi Nana Kwadwo Amache Vidal Mensa Vida Apia Najimai Namayeti greetings to all on the platform Senia Wode Abatoso Ade Yeno Sanso and Yawo Dokas Adomam Samabudi Dada Yenhe Wine was Ni Kofi Koku Owarabedi also Soviet Chum Berima Frederick Boateng also also so and ye war Frank Ampedu Najima dia to so share free legal education so and I was Ezekiel Johnson e wo hanana picket that was say Bridget Odobi Kasa also ha here na oni e wo jumedi no so Tilly Juma Mary Chucho Derek so e wo so Philip Amankwa ye wo Nana Hima Sapon Covenant Grace so I was so Florence Apia Mabodi that Emma Naomi Hajon so 307 shares so far. We are marching forward. That's a very interesting one from Ezekiel Johnson. Thank you very much. So and your Akosia Pada say good evening everyone. Philemon Obrimpong, say Philemon Obrimpong is here. Yes, I've seen you. Yami Insha Charles Ohene Mensa also so Yamao High. Yami Insha. Yeah. Lawyer, Mami Minko na fe yenhwe say yebetimi afa for questions more concerns. So me gidi say we see actually mu very vividly no. Probably will be what question back be or even beyond that amount for our concerns be almost say or day ever na idi kind no mamin kofa mini aba na mayete na memfa ono ne de no any kind na dodo a yentantimi anka and anasentimi anya no during the week no ya day ever na good evening yam trem say your my license kasanti you and so to say what's make online no I'm so one kasa when we two microphone and so bit me on me two system no so I'm say one person when you two mic into me when it because ana a machine catching as when you two the and changing the mind. Okay, my emko emra na fe yensan emra mfa emra na lawyer mami indika enko omo de eba wo page no so no enko fa. Okay, any about not the enemy has said in Sabe Canibio. Hello. Okay. What's a mega? Aha. Now, what do I do? Yeah, too. Come over. Okay. Now, my main kind run a more aquaba. Na, yenda was say what they so I see what better so not the beer or bought the root and my and no Msandra anopa when they amount for Asia or GN radio so questions may be a kaya no whatever lawyer Richard Waha na omwaye no on to my
Martin. Me change obi bia wo humane so omo share in Facebook ni YouTube na any abawa radio just dey bia wo bia me nchia kese e dey ma ye da ma so mo keep on sharing yo men so and more questions difference kakra but me hwe dodo na betumi
okay
me hope na me bisa ni edi kan no many abem bi no promo ha oni ne maame ne papa nyina na wa ha na okọ Ghana emra okọ ne papa apply ma na ya no be ye mensa e apply center e no masetina na okọ ye no etre na omo krata ba e se omo koye omo